How to get custom alarm sound on Android. So if you want to find out the custom alarm sounds on your Android device, then this video might help you. So watch this video till the end and do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So right now I'm at the home page of my mobile device. So it's the first step, you need to open up to settings of your mobile device. And in this section you will be able to see the sound option. The sound option may differ if for your mobile model, but you just have to search for the sound and go for it. And in this section you will be able to see the sound of your media, call and ringtone and many more. You just have to scroll and tap over the drop down of advanced option. If you scroll down a little bit, you will be able to see the default alarm sound option. Just tap over there and a lot of alarm sound will be available. You can also tap over the add alarm option and you can add new sound of your alarm from your files or anywhere, and you can just tap over there, and after selecting you can go for OK option, and by doing that you will be able to get the custom alarm sound on your Android device. So I hope this was helpful. If you have got any queries, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.